children, so we're going to do some maths now, and just for our last week we're just going to practice our number formation. So I have got, this is all in your maths books in school, so I have got all of the rhymes to help us with the numbers. I will upload this as well so you can use it at home, and we're going to just practice just writing each number a couple of times, and we'll go right to 20 so you can learn that. You can use the number formations from 0 to 10 to help you with numbers to 20. So our first one that we're going to do is 0. So around to my left and find my hero, back to the top, and I've made 0. Around to my left to find my hero, back to the top, and I've made 0. Okay, so you can practice 0. Now let's do 1. A downward stroke, my that's fun. Now we've made the number 1. And again, a downward stroke, my that's fun. Now we've made the number 1. Okay, number 2. Half a heart says I love you. Add a line. Now we've made the number 2. Half a heart says I love you. Add a line. Now we've made the number 2. Okay, and now we've got 3. Around the tree, now I've made the number 3. Around the tree, now I've made the number 3. Okay, now we're going to do 4. Down and across, and down once more. Now I've made the number 4. Down and across, and down once more. Now I've made the number 4. Now we're going to do 5. Draw the hat, the back, and the belly. It's a 5. Draw the hat, the back, and the belly. It's a 5. So hat, back, belly for 5. Okay, number 6. Bend down low and pick up sticks. Now I've made the number 6. So we're pretending somebody's bending down and then going back up as they're holding a pen. So bend down low and pick up sticks. Now I've made the number 6. Now I'm going to do 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. Now I've made the number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. Now I've made the number 7. Okay. 8. Make an S and then close the gate. So go back up. Now I've made the number 8. Make an S, then close the gate. Now I've made the number 8. Okay, now I'm going to do 9. Make an oval and then a line. Now I've made the number 9. Make an oval and then a line. Now I've made the number 9. Okay, and now we've got 10. So, a downward stroke. Now that's my 1. Add a 0, and that's 10 done. A downward stroke. And that's my 1. Add a 0. That's 10 done. Okay, so that's your numbers 0 to 10. Okay, and now 11 to 20. So 11. I'm just going to do one of these each, but you can do 2 each when you practice. Okay? So 11. A downward stroke and a downward stroke. 11. Okay, now we've got 12. So we've got a downward stroke for 1, half a heart, and then a line for 2 for the 12. Okay, then we've got 13. A downward stroke, and then around the tree for the 3. Now we've got 14. A downward stroke, and then we're going to go down and across and down once more. Okay, now we've got 15. A downward stroke for the 1, and then 15. Hat, back, and belly. Now we've made the 5. There we go, 15. 16. A downward stroke for the 1, and then for 6, bend down low and pick up sticks. Now I've made the number 6, and I've made the number 16 with my 1, which for our 10s and the 6. Okay, now I've got 17. downward stroke, and then 7, across the sky and down from heaven. Now 18, downward stroke for the 1, and 18, make an S, and then close the gate. 19, a downward stroke, and then we're going to make an oval and then a line. And then 20, so for 20 we're going to start with a 2, so we're going to do half a heart and then a line, and then we've got our 0. Okay, so can you practice writing those as well? So do your numbers 1 to 10, and then 11 to 20. And try and do a couple of each one just to practice your number formation. And you've got the rhymes there to help you as well. Okay, well done. Bye.